to rebuild the Titanic, just to sink it again. Last person to abandon ship gets a Lambo.
This is what Google VO3 gives you. When it comes to YouTube videos, look at this MrBeast style madness.
I broke into a zoo to prove one man is enough to fight a gorilla. Counting every grain of sand on this beach. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Google VEO3 made a MrBeast style YouTube video from scratch. Let's see how real it feels.
No plan! No shoot! Just content! Running for my life on North Sentinel Island. Day 3. Should have picked Bali.
All right.
Digging to the Earth's core. Bare hands. No brakes. I'm doing K2 the honest way. Alone, unprepared, and in a straight line. Leave a comment for the search team. No energy drinks! Just gasoline! About to do the first plunge into an active volcano. Let's send it.
That was all made by AI. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know what you think.